hope you are fine. Yes, it's back to school. We are in September and I'm very happy to make this video about the news on Let's Play Live Harp and the platform McTelenn App Center. I would like to thank you for the last new friend on Facebook. I don't know why I have so many friends, but thank you. Welcome to my channel too, for the person that subscribed to my channel. I'm very happy also because we are very near of 1,000 subscribers. I hope that at the end of this year we have this number. It's definitely not a goal for me, but it's always a good purpose, because I don't earn money with that. But I think that if some people subscribe to my channel, that consider that they're happy about my content, and they love to watch my video. So I hope, and if you are new, very welcome. If you are not, do make a subscribe, or leave a thumb up. And voila. So the first thing that I want to share with you, that I create a new category is for French. This category title is Excuse My French, and I would like to, on this new year school, to have a French content with a category apart. And if you learn French, you can go to this new category and to have this same content, because when I make a content about Live Harp, I make an English video and a French video. So now I would like to have a main category for French people, and for the other, this is always on the same way, on the same place. So what happens during this summer? A lot of things. The first thing is very big, very important for me. That is about the workshop that I made end of July. You see some photos, some video. It's not my first workshop, summer camp. You can say that also, because before 6 or 7, or maybe more, I made some workshop in Paris with Cécile Corbel and Anne Postic. So Anne, I made a workshop for me, and I think do not mistake that the channel is not a artist performance for me, because I see some comments about that, some nasty comments. You say, oh, you are too slow. Oh no, I don't like your video, etc. And I said I always answer for this kind of comments, and with a lot of wise. And I say that my channel is not about a performance. I am an artist, but now I'm considered more as a teacher. And I have some trouble with my arm. That's why I must. I have a choice that to play not very fast, because it's always an example for people that want to learn these tunes. For example, I try sometimes to play fast, but it's very painful for my arms. So that's why do consider that I know that my video is always fine with a lovely picture, because some of people is not a harpist, is not a beginner harpist, etc. Is only some people that visit my website and listen my music and love it. That's just fine. And voila, I think that it's very important to see that on this beginning of this video. And about my last workshop, I am very happy, because the people that you see on this photo is is my current students that I teach on Skype. So they live in around of the France and also in Belgium, and they take holiday to come to Brittany and to have this first new experience about the workshop. And I would like to, I will make a video, a very special video about this workshop, because there are a lot of things that I want to talk about. But voilà, this is my first experience in Brittany, and it's a very good experience, and that's why I now organize a new workshop. If you follow me on Instagram, you see here, and Facebook, you have some news about that. The next workshop is about Hildegard von Bingen. It was a great woman, a great abbess in medieval time. And for this workshop, also I think I make a special video I put inside the last workshop. I always find a different topics, different category about my workshop, because of course we can say you live in Brittany, so you can make a workshop about Britain dance, okay? But there is a lot of workshop here with a very good teacher too, and this is a good job. So of course, sure. On the last workshop, I propose a Britain dance. It was a gavotte, because the town, the village where we live in holidays, is the highway, is the place where we dance a gavotte. So it's very logical about that. But yes, on the future, I would like to propose different topics, and it's good. So another thing that I proposed during this summer is a little Harpy Strings. The little Harpy String is very little. I can show you with a close-up, and this is. I'm very happy to find these little things, because it's very useful for people that begin to do not a mistake when you want to tuning your harp, and also for the child, because it's very fun to use these little wings and to find good notes and to work on it. And I will make a special video too about these Harpy Rings. You can buy on my platform, on my website, McTelenn Harp Center. And actually I work on a little notebook for teacher to use these little wings about the music theory and about a harp for beginner, for the child. So if you want more, if you have found out more about this little Harpy Rings, you can find more information in the description below. And voila, I'm very proud, because last weeks I have my advertisement is published on the folk harp. Yes, I am very proud, because I know it's an advertisement, so I pay for this one. But I think that the first time is the French harpist that published an advertisement in this magazine, and this magazine is in USA, and it's about lever harp, folk harp. And yes, I am very happy to see my advertisement. I hope in the future to write some articles, so to give some free sheet tunes for the folk harp, and voila. So I have also a new price on my Teachable platform. This new page is here. You can see the price. I would like to have a new order, a new command. I don't know if this is the correct name. And this thing is to have the monthly subscribe access and also to have 2 hours every month with me on Skype to learn one-to-one some tunes, some ideas, some workouts. And I think that most of people that stop a passion, a leisure, an instrument learning, that is because they are alone. They are in the corner, and I know it's sad. I understand that it's sad because you try to teach yourself harp and you have no question answer, and I understand that it can be frustration about that. So I give the opportunity to have an unlimited access about my content, and also to have 2 hours by month and for the certain price. And if you want to find out more, again, you can go on the website and see what I said in information. The last thing that I would like to talk about is a podcast. I would like to propose a podcast. I know that in English there are a lot of podcasts, so I would like to begin my podcast series in French for some people that you don't know, maybe, like a harp maker, like some harpists that I like, some people that not professional but love the harp, the live harp, and pourquoi pas, why not a very famous harpist? I try to contact them, and yes, this is one of my goals for this new year for school, and I hope that I don't forget some things, but I think it's good. I think it's a lot of things. So of course I always make a new video course and propose a new chip tunes with fingerings and help about the sight reading. But I work on it, and my next goal, my big goal, is the Hildegard von Bingen workshop, because it's a very big thing for me, even that is for 5 or 6 people, but I would like to have a very, very good workshop. And it is on November, on the beginning of November, and in Brittany. And it's for beginner and also for people that have a little harp, a 27 string harp, because we don't need have a good a big harp, 34 strings. And voila, I think that is a long video. I don't know how it's long, but I hope you enjoy it, and do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. I have this goal to have 1,000 subscribers, and to have you can go to my Facebook and Instagram, and we will see you on the next adventure, on the next journey on this channel. And I would like to say thank you so much. Bye bye. And we have the A1. It's like this. Alors, là, comment j'ai traité l'affaire, c'est que j'ai placé 4, 3, 2, 1 sur Si, Ré, Mi, La.